Hi guys, here we have new problems from your worksheet, and Paula asked me about the problem number 2, and it says the difference between the two numbers is 48. The difference between the two numbers is 48. The ratio of the two numbers is 7:3. What are the two numbers? First of all, you must remember what is the ratio. Ratio is the quotient between two numbers, the division, the result of the division between the two numbers, 7 and 3 in this case. Okay, we know the difference is 48. That means that if one of the numbers we can call x, for example, one of the numbers, let's call x to the smallest number, okay, the other number must be x plus 48, because that means that the difference is 48. The greatest one will be x plus 48. These are our two numbers, x and x plus 48. And now we have to ask them, the ratio between them is 7:3. The ratio, as I said before, is the quotient between the two numbers. So let's write the equation. It's a little bit more difficult than another equations we have seen before, okay? But you can do it. Let's write x plus 48, and let's divide it by x. I know we haven't seen this kind of equation before, but this is the easiest way to do it. And this must be equal to 7 divided by 3, which is a fraction. Okay. These are two fractions that are equivalent, so we can do cross multiplication. We can multiply x plus 48 by 3, and we can multiply 7 times x, and those two amounts must be equal. So 3 times x plus 48 must be equal to 7 times x. If we do the distributive property in the first part of the equation, in the left side of the equation, 3 times x plus 3 times 48, 3 times 48, 48 equals 144. I have done before for you. And that must be equal to 7 times x. So our equation is 3 times x plus 144 equals 7 times x. Now you can solve this equation as usual. 144 equals 7 times x minus 3x. So the equation we have is, let's write here, 144 equals 7 times x minus 3 times x. Oh, I'm not writing, sorry. Let's try it again. The equation will be 144 equals 7 times x minus 3 times x. Okay, if you do this calculation, 144 equals 4 times x. You can divide 144 by 4 to solve for the x. And the result is 36. So the smallest number is 36, Let's write here again. And the greatest one is 36 plus 48, which is 84. So these are our two numbers we are searching for, 36 and 84. If we subtract 36 to 84, we get 48. And if we simplify the fraction 84 divided by 36, if we simplify it, this fraction, we can divide it both numbers, the top number and the bottom number, by 12. We get exactly 7/3. And that was our initial point. We were searching for two numbers which the ratio between them is 7:3. And the numbers we are searching for are 84 divided by 36. So I hope you have understood it. See you.